Okay, Daniel, your box has arrived, so let's get things open. Close look here. Okay. All right. So we have a 6309. I'm going to go ahead and take your NATO off, just so I don't accidentally do something like throw it around. Those things can be a little unwieldy. All right, so let's take a look. Very cool. What do we got here? Okay, so we have a 1984 6309 7049. This is a longer text here on the bottom, a Hong Kong cased, movement and dial Japan 6309. So the transition to Hong Kong assembly with Japanese parts. And with these, of course, you don't get the Japan here on the back. It's just water resist A. Alright, so April 84. Your dial text is very nice. Your loom looks really good. It's got some age to it, but overall it looks pretty nice. Your insert is a little worn, and bezel's pretty tight, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. It's probably just old seals and probably some corrosion from water. Let's go over function. Crown screws down or screws in. Ooh, it's pretty tight. Old seal for sure. I can hear it squeaking. Alright, let's take it through some of its paces here. Okay, so day and date click as they should. Let's go one out. Quick date seems to be in good shape. That's good. Okay, so that's good to see. Clearly a watch that's seen some life. I'm gonna go ahead and try and take your case back off right here. Let's see if we can do that. All right, I'm gonna have to put this on a little machine, so give me just 1 second. So I've got you loosened up. Let's go ahead and open together, see if there's any evidence of service in the back. It looks like no, there's nothing in the back here, so that's good, I guess. Movement looks quite dry. That's always a plus. You are running. Let's see what kind of state everything is in. Yeah, you can see here that motion of that screw is indicative of worn arbor ports, so we will make that better by jeweling. Let's go ahead and actually put some power in and see where the movement is at the moment. Okay. Let's go ahead and hit the time grapher and have a look. Okay, Daniel. Well, you're actually on the time grapher. You can see it starting to pick up a trace here. Unfortunately, it's running so poorly that the microphone can't actually hear your watch, so it's not even able to like register a signal. You know, and that's not unexpected. You need a service. This is an unserviced state, or a state of required service, and so I wouldn't expect anything here that's out of the norm. This is really what you would see for perhaps a 40-year-old watch that has never seen service. All the lubrication is dry and cakey in there, and it needs some attention. So not much to show, but certainly a watch that needs some time on the bench. All right, let's come back. We have a really nice starting point. Cosmetically, everything is really quite good. You've got wear, which is not unexpected, but it still is a very nice 6309. It looks good. I think this is going to be a great starting point. I don't foresee any issues with the movement. You know, we never know what's lurking, you know, whether it's a mainspring that's weak or something, you know, that's always something we have to take into account when we look at these. But we'll know once we dig in, and I'm looking forward to doing it. So I'll send you this video, we'll have a little chat, and I'll get started. All right, thank you, Daniel, and thanks for watching.